In this video, I want to talk about if you can day trade on eToro. Now the short answer is yes, you can day trade on eToro, and let me just quickly talk about it. So if you just find, under Discover, let's just find any stocks or something. Let's open up the Amazon one. And what you can do is you can go to the chart right here. You can select a small time frame if you want. Usually when you day trade, you're not day trading on the long time frames. But let's just say you do this. Then what you can do from in here is you can simply press trade. You will be able to buy it. So let's say you want to buy 500, then you can buy it right here. And then if you want to close the position or stuff like this, you just want to head over to your portfolio, find it, and then you can either close here, or what I recommend is you open up the position, find the position in here, press close, because then you will be able to close part of it. So let's say I bought 10,000 of these. Let's say I only want to close 2,000 of them, if 2,000 is my profit. Let's say I bought 8,000 and now it's up at 10,000, so I made 2,000 profit. Then I can go in and close my trade and take 2,000 profit. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.